Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Back at that spot again, the one I shot my 27-pound pack, and my last sighting was shot out here. And what I'm noticing, it's untouched except for me, which I'm really happy about. That means I can probably do some things out here that I'm kind of thinking about. And yeah. So if it's untouched, then maybe I can actually continue to come here and actually get some stuff done that I'm thinking about. So we'll see what happens with that down the road. So, but I wanted to do first is brought out the Hidden Woodsman Haversack today. That's all I brought with me. I only brought the one Haversack because I wanted to kind of do a recon in this area. It's also the same loadout I brought from the other day at the park. I just never emptied the pack. So here she is. So let's throw it on the scale and see what she weighs. Let's see. Now this is everything. This is water, food, everything that I had on my person. How am I going to hang this? That's 12.6 or 12.06. So 12 pounds. Alright, we might have some issues today with shadows, but we'll just have to work around it. So on the outside I have the Fisker's hatchet. Decided to bring the hatchet today, just because I just felt like it. Get that hung up. On the outside pouch, this is just an FAK pouch I bought on eBay. I got a steak bag. Just empty steak bag. I was hoping to find some tinders yesterday at the park, so I had it to throw tinder in. 2 grocery store trash bags, and it's empty. That's all I brought in those. I cannot get this thing to stand up today. Cooperate. Got my Hidden Woodsman Possibles pouch. It's kind of stuffed. I've got Sawyer Mini, MRE toilet paper, because you never know. The Uko Spork. A long spoon for lunch. I'll show you why. I got some tea. I brought them out again, and I'm going to use them this time. These stand that I got from Odell Outdoors. Parmesan cheese. This is just full of honey packets. I got the accessory pack for an MRE. It's wet nap, sugar, salt, gum. Another toilet paper. More tea, 4 bags, headlamp, more wet naps, and just a wet ones on the bottom, and then a spare battery. My Hardy work gloves, Hidden Woodsman tinder bag, Nalgene full of water, my spice kit, a bottle of heat, more Bushcraft Black with a ferro rod. Sort of a hiking hiking type fire kit, ferro rod, lighter, cotton balls, matches. What do we got in here? More matches. This is really light. I might pop it on the, hang it on the scale and see what it weighs. Butterfly handle canteen cup, spare battery. This is a hearth board for a bow drill. I got an idea I'm gonna do with that. Cheap little folding saw. Then I got a cup, a measuring cup, and then a Trangia stove. Because I'm gonna do a well, spoiler. Yeah, backpacker pantry fettuccine alfredo. I've never had before. Canteen cup lid. Nothing back here. And nothing in there. So that's it. So just a real simple, simple loadout. Okay, what I wanted to do is weigh a couple of these. First, the fire kit. 0.29, so a third of a 0.3 ounces. The water is 2.3, 2 pounds, 3 ounces, which is surprising. But water's heavy, I mean, what are you going to do? And the Possibles pouch is 1 pound, 4 ounces. Wow, that's surprisingly heavy. And I forgot to mention, I still have I moved this over to the Haversack. It's just the whistle, the P38, P51, thank you to a viewer, and then a capsule, aluminum capsule full of tinder. So.